It's Saturday, it's good busy in here. Even the plates are nice here. Little soldiers, mugs. It's almost like Match Cafe with the mugs. I've got a little chicken.
See that with you.
The fat Amelias are all here. Wow. Our Halo has arrived. We are back at Triumph Hardware. And we're here to fetch our panels, the fluted boards. Oh. Shout out to our help. And this one. Yeah, so this is the last of the big materials we need. Hopefully. Yeah, this place is great. Everybody's buying panels here. PVC panels, ours is fluted board panels. This goes on the back wall. Just need to make sure it's pure again. And we get home before the rain arrives. It's always a race against the rain. Yeah, so this is the place. It's big. The locals love YouTube. It's Saturday, it's good busy in here. Hello. As you can see, lots of people. So we've just come from Triumph and we are super hungry.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got our tiles on the back here, the panels. And we've come to this little place outside Santa Barbara, which is like a little hidden gem. Two restaurants, this Amelia one, and then there's Carmelo's on that side, which is like a cafe, but it's very nice food. Huh? So we're gonna try and get a seat, probably at Carmelo's.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's you can't actually see it from the outside. It's a very hidden driveway, and only mostly locals that know about this place. Yeah, this is very nice here. This is quite an upmarket restaurant apparently. As you can see, nice decor. I just want to have a look inside. Ah, it's very nice. Hello. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's busy. Can we have a look at your menu? Oh, they got lots of cakes as well. Hello, thank you. We just want to have a look at the menu. Thank you. See you. What choy?
Bone marrow.
Oh, right.
Our best seller here in
there's more choy.
is magnet kare-kare biscuit and biscuit.
Yeah, let's try. Yes.
2 packs.
Two, yes.
Procedure.
Yeah, there's lots of seating in here. Oh, there's a kitchen. Wow. Good afternoon. Oh, there's a little room here. Hi. Oh, it's nice chairs, like king's chairs. Wow, look at this. Big cake tart.
For function. Oh, function.
Yeah, okay. Okay, well, let me sit. Yeah, later. Okay.
Nice there.
Yeah, we're right outside the kitchen. Yeah, there's quite a lot on this menu actually. Wow. It's not just Filipino food.
Halo-halo.
Some of it I can't understand.
Tagalog. It's a Filipino cuisine.
Tagalog.
Filipino food.
Is it the same? Different
Yeah.
stuff here? Grilled chicken, of course. Gotta have chicken.
Baboy.
They have halo-halo. What is this?
Yes.
Looks a big halo-halo.
Yes.
Wow, look at this one. Oh, they're cocktail, they're shakes.
We have also salad.
Different shakes. Mango, buko juice, buko shake. Nice. Yeah. Time to study the menu and decide. That sounds nice. Manok kag turmeric rice. I don't know if that's pronounced.
Chicken and turmeric rice.
It's nice. Air conditioned in here with sounds on top. Nice.
I want paella.
We can't resist this one. Can mix it too. Or share whatever. We need to order
Hello.
Thirsty. Click.
Thank you.
We're going healthy today. We're sticking with water because we have ice cream later. Nice mural over there, but it's a bit hot for outside today. Place is big.
It's like our chandelier that we bought.
I want to have a look here. Amelia. Oh, look at these orchids here. Nice. Oh, there's more. Oh, this is more like a function room apparently. Oh, lots of mugs here. Wow. Little soldiers, mugs. It's almost like Magic Cafe with the mugs. Manila, all the different areas, Philippines, Cagayan, all the different towns. And it goes on and on, yeah. Lots of plates. It's like this. Oh, this is the Carmelos, the other place, which is also very nice. I'm not going to go inside, but they serve like lots of nice shakes, very nice burgers. It's very nice. Hello. As you can see, hi. Very clean, also air conditioned, similar sort of style. Hi. And then here is a nice mural that I showed from the inside, and that's what it looks like from the outside. It's a little hidden gem in Santa Barbara, outside ILOILO. And lots of parking. All this is parking. For decorations here. The fat Amelias are all here. Wow, they're even doing exercise. Cute. Sorry. Please go through. Yeah, lots of stuff here, lots of decorations everywhere. And king's chairs. Wow, look at these chairs. Where? Another painting. Oh yeah. So many decorations here. You really got to look around. There's more by the door as well. Even the plates are nice here. Beautiful color. Huge paella.
For Shella.
For you. Paella always, Shella always seems to order the bigger one. I've got a little chicken.
See that is you.
Nice.
Come on, lad.
Turmeric rice. Can I try this one?
Oh, of course. The paella is so yummy. Wow.
Oh, this is like a balsamic vinegar reduction thing that comes with this chicken.
And it's so much hot.
Yes. First time we ever come here. We always go to Carmelos next door. They actually make nice burgers and they have very nice steaks. Well, we missed out on something.
Wow. That's
So there's one thing in the Philippines you have to get used to as a Western. And that is eating chicken with a spoon and a fork. So you have to cut through the chicken with a spoon, which is not so easy. It sounds easy, but it takes a little bit of skill. I'm always much slower than Shella. Still learning. And while I'm vlogging, she's eating all my food. Hiya! Cannot finish.
Yes,
this is
it's a lot.
This is going to be takeout.
That's good. It's good deal, guys.
Yeah,
deal.
that's a very good deal.
Huge.
Yeah.
Huge pack like this.
Wow. Our Halo Halo has arrived. It's a big pot.
Yeah.
Yes. Gotta see it from close up. It's dessert time.
But too much close.
Yeah, there's lots of ingredients in here. I don't know if it comes out. It's like cornflakes, all sorts of fruity bits. There's even corn.
The
Ube, ice cream.
Apple.
Yeah,
Ice
amazing.
Different halo-halo.
Take a while to eat.
This is the best.
This is a never-ending halo. Look at how many ingredients there are. When you dig in here, you keep fishing out more ingredients. Here's the ice, but there's so much else in here. This goes on forever. Look at this one.
Never ends, guys. It's so yummy.
It's the best, yes. It's delicious. There's a table behind us that just came for halo. Obviously, they know about it. Right, and all of that delicious meal for 1,320 pesos. And that's actually including 120 service fees, so the cost is actually 1,200.
It's so cheap, guys.
Yeah.
It's like so huge halo-halo.
Huge.
A huge paella, and we still have leftover.
Yeah, we still have that left over. Might be back for a pachoy with the actual bone in it as well. Marrow bone.
The best.
Yeah.
It's a good deal
Awesome.
for this price, and it looks classy.
Yeah, it's very classy.
Very modern
Very impressed,
style,
huh?
yes. I'm so impressed.
Yeah. To feed our pets. Jokes, they're not actually our pets. These are the cats from neighbors. But there's so many of them. Look at that. There's two there.
They're all scared.
Yeah, because I'm here probably.
Yes. Me.
Oh yeah. Wow, yeah, yeah. Shella likes to feed them, then they come to her. She considers it good luck. To be blessed. Look at that, they're all staring at you.
The other one is just like take and then run.
They're all staring
He
at her.
takes one and then he already ran away. The other one is not scared. The one always eating in there. Now they go scared.
Oh, is that the one you always feed?
No, it's not that one. They're all simple. I think he doesn't like. You can go now.
We can go.
Yes, because they're gonna eat that one later.
Yeah,
Just giving
just
them bread.
Left it here. Bye bye. Yeah, so our fluted panel is here. Could just lift it there. Oh, there was a crack because the rope that they use for tying down cracked.
Really?
This edge here, but it's on the inside edge. It's not so that it gets covered because they all slot into each other. So that's the design, and it's gonna go on this door,
Yes.
all along here, top to bottom.
Oh, it's so long.
Oi,
Oh,
we have to cut it.
yes.
We have to cut it. Oh no,
So long, guys.
it's too long.
Yes.
But he painted the railing today with this primer color all along. Plus he painted the pillars. Watch out. There's a lot of stuff on the floor here. I'm always stumbling. You see he painted here also the pillars. And here. Where is it?
The other one is just looking at me. Yeah, there's different
Sure.
eyes. The other one is yellow. the
So
other
much
one is
rubbish
orange,
here.
the other
Look
one
at
is
this. Ooh, there's so much dirt here. I need to do a big cleanup when we're finished. And there's banana trees growing just wild. It's coming out of the dirt that they put down for the water dam. There's bananas growing out of it.
Yeah, I asked Hans to cut that one actually. Brother used all the old stuff of the bamboo to make his chicken cup. Yes, chicken cup. See? Because lots of bamboo left from the construction downstairs. And that's who? And that's who? Raw Eye Igit. Let's just arrive the one for our window. Look at that window. My uncle is making a chicken cup for Hans for his chicken. Chicken. Ano ang bal mo, Nay? Some of them is there. For the chicken cup, and then they're gonna put that one there. Tiles is done. Roofing is done. Look at that, guys. Only the floated panel not yet done. And the light is not yet there.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Where should I
nice. Yeah, you can step on those.
here?
Yeah. If the spaces are out, you can step on it.
Because the first one cannot. Wow.
Oh,
guys.
that's nice, huh? So clean.
So clean.
It's slippery.
It's not yet.
And the light they still have to put in.
Yes, the light is. Where is the light
Part
now?
of our fixture.
Yes, the light. That's the light?
Yeah, still won't slip and fall down.
No.
It's very slippery. Very slippery. I think so, yeah.
That's the light, right?
Yeah.
And our floated panel. Ta-da!
So the guy that's doing our windows is actually building them over here because they're so large. It's going to be difficult to carry them back to the house here. You can see that putting the railings in there. That's the frames for the windows. See what's happening downstairs, because that side has to progress as well. Make sure we construct the rooms for the rest of the family downstairs. And the steel rods for the cement laying.
This one is okay. Only this one. Di nyo na pagtanggalin, no?
This is the electrical line we put in, and then the cement will come on top. So this side is already reinforced. That side needs some reinforcement with the steel cables. Yeah, all the steel rods for the reinforcement. And here's the cement that we've had to buy now, extra again.
At least they're working inside of the house so they're not gonna get wet. Look at the banana. It's a lot already.
Yeah, it's so stormy today.
Day in my life in Cabatuan.